flirting, man, it's hard. You don't want to say something too cringy. You don't want to say something that makes you look simp either. It do be like that. That's why I'm gonna give you these exact keys you need to make flirting 10 times easier with any girl you talking to. First key to flirting is listening. Listening plays a major role in flirting because to know what to say, you have to know what you've heard. And if you know what the girl's saying, your timing is better with your flirts. Your humor is a lot better. You can say a lot more things that are witty, that'll make the girl smile and keep her interested in you. This happens because you're listening to the girl. I was talking to a girl, she told me the story about how she got in trouble and her mom grounded her, right? So she wasn't able to go out for a while. A few days later, she said something silly to me. And I was like, yeah, I no wonder your mom grounded you. Yeah, you be talking crazy. Boom, right? And I was able to make this playful joke because I listened to this story that she told me a few days ago and used it again later. So you see how flirting and listening can come together to make you connect the dots? It's a lot simpler when you do this. And when you talk to girls and you listen to what you say, you'll realize that a lot of what they say, you can use as jokes or playful ways to tease her later on in y'all interaction. Next key to flirting with girls is having charisma. And really, charisma is just the energy you're bringing to the interaction. You bring more of a playful energy, you're smiling, your body language is more calm and relaxed. All this makes the girl more comfortable, which gives off more of the flirtatious vibe when you're talking to the girl. And another thing that charismatic people do is they make the other person the spotlight. So when you're talking to the girl, you're making her the spotlight. You're giving her the center of attention. A lot of the conversation is focused more on the girl and letting the girl open up and talk about herself. Because the truth of the matter is people love to talk about themselves. So the more you can let a girl talk about herself, the more she's gonna feel drawn towards you. The next key to flirting with girls is having confidence. I'm gonna tell you the truth. When you're flirting with a girl, it's almost never about what you're saying. It's a lot about the intention and the confidence behind what you're saying. That's why two guys can say the same thing to a girl but get two different reactions. One girl could be real receptive of it, and the other girl could be like, nah. And this confidence, honestly, bro, is just being assured of who you are. A lot of time you guys talk to these girls and you get this little feeling like, I'm not good enough. And this is gonna come across in your voice. You sound a little more timid, not speaking up when you're talking to her, and all this comes off low confidence. While the guy that has confidence is speaking more with his natural tone, he's not hesitating and all this when he's speaking to a girl. And all this makes a difference. The next key to flirting with a girl, don't be so serious. And I'm gonna be honest, I too can be a little too serious sometimes with girls, especially when I have like my straight face. I look kind of like, you know, I'm mad or something like that. But the thing is, if you can never laugh, joke around these girls, it's gonna be harder to flirt with them. Because if you always being so serious, it's never a way to lighten up the mood. You're always just, it's like, dude, calm down. No one's gonna pull up with a hidden camera as soon as you crack a smile or joke around with a girl. Nobody cares, bruh. Loosen up, man. The next key to flirting with girls is to have a slight mystery. You don't always have to dive deep into every topic when you're talking to a girl. When a girl asks you a whole bunch of questions, you gotta know how to redirect the conversation. Like, say she asks you like 3 questions in a row. That's when you gotta redirect it. Like, dang, you the feds or something? Let me ask you some questions. Acting like you about to arrest me or something. You see, you got a little joke and playfulness, but you weaved out of them questions so you could get to know her better and she wouldn't get to know too much about you. Because what I found is when you talk a lot about yourself, about your personal life and everything to girls off rip, it makes them feel like they have a little edge on you. It feels like they really know you, you know what I'm saying? This type of revealing and stuff like that kind of kills the interest because it's like a lot too soon. You want to build up the anticipation. That's the whole part of flirting. And the next key to flirting is to be a good conversationalist. If you want to know how to start conversations with girls, click on this video I made right here. And I'm going to catch you in that next video, bro. All right. I'm going to catch you for sure.